Hello and welcome back to Just Code It. Today we're going to be taking a look at Crawl4AI, specifically links and media links specifically. Let's just give the final code a run. Here we see the base with HTML characters, internal links, external links. Actually, let's take a look at the first link first. Run that, but you can see how there's one video for a YouTube video. And then for the first link, we have internal links, external links, images 30, and HTML characters. And that is for this video editing. Run this again where it points at this GIF and see what type of media it is. It is running, and it seems like the GIF is considered to be an image. Now that we've walked through the results, let's actually start coding this. We have this helper method called summarize, which just prints the summary in a nice, neat way. So you can just jump over this if you don't want to look at it. Moving down a bit more, we have the async main method, where we're going to do the async web crawler as crawler. Base is going to be await crawler a run, pass it the URL, and then CrawlerRunConfig is going to be cache mode to bypass and verbose to false. Then we're going to do trim is await crawler a crawler, and then we're going to trim with exclude external links and exclude media links set to true, and then verbose set to false again. Then we're going to set exclude external images to true and exclude social media links to true as well. So this will strip the Facebook links and things like that. And this will also strip the off-domain images. Finally, we're going to print the base success. If base was successful, we're going to print it using the summary method. And then if trimmed was successful, we're going to print it using the summary method again. Like always, we do name equals main, async IO, run main. Here is an example where we can actually see differences between the base and the trimmed. We have internal and external links the same, but external links for the trimmed is 4, images for the base is 2, images for the trimmed is 0, and then audio we have 0 and video we have 0 for both. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. See you next time.